So in this video, I would like to show you how to add automatic README file in GitHub. Okay. So what I go to the repository. Okay. So there are multiple repositories there. I'll create a new repository. It's called demo readme file. Okay. So here I put like how to add readme file automatically. Okay. So I'll make it as a private public there and create a repo. Sorry, actually, yeah, that's fine. Even I could do it before. Here you can see that add a readme file. So let me check if the my repo is created or not because I already selected that part. Yeah. Anyway, that's fine. I could send a readme file over there, but if it is not, then it's also fine. Um, what I'm going to do is there are multiple ways you can do. Here is a create a code space there, so it can create your own code space, and then you can use it over there. You can see that it's already are coming, or you can clone it to your VS Code. But anyway, we don't have to do it, but just to show you what is happening there. This is the code space is creating. You can see there's already README file is happened there. It's already created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take two code that is already I had from my soccer body prediction from here. I'll just check it where it is. Okay, go to my documents and soccer body app. I'll just take only just two code. Okay, the CSV file, CSV file, soccer and the png. Oh, sorry. Allow. Okay. Actually, let me do it from the GitHub. Sorry, VS Code. Okay. So let me go to my GitHub, log in there, and I have my repo. Okay, and it's cleared there. I copy the HTTPS here, and then I go there and I ask for clone the GitHub repo. It shows me demo file that's I already selected. It's asking me to select the location. So I'm selecting here, demo file here, and it's open. I'm going to open it. So what I'm going to do is exactly go to the documentation. You can see that remote README file is here. Already README is there, but in that README, there's a nothing written. You can see there's a nothing written there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select two file from my previously building. I built an app for Soccer Buddy. Anyway, I'll show you what I have here. I'll just select these cosine similarity and then just the CSV data. Okay, Control C. Then I'm going to paste it into here in demo readme files. Whenever I paste it, you see that other things comes in. Okay, so what I'm going to do is my VS Code is enable with the chat, which is Microsoft Copilot. I'll just ask, please write me a README file here. So it will generate me for the README file based on whatever inside there, the code and the CSV file in the time it's generating. I want to show you what is the code. So the PI file is there. You can see it's based on a cosine similarity. It gives you the student ID name, grade, and all the stuffs are there. So it will just print out what are the students' ID and what are the the cosine similarity based the match. There's also IPNB files are there. It shows you all the experimentation are there, and that the CSV file has the data sets, right? You see that it's generated your the README file. So you just have to do copy, come here, and you just paste it here. Okay. So this is one way you can see it directly here. If you are not doing it, you can save it. One way you can do. Else, if you want to check what is happening, what you have to do is first you have to push this code added, and I'll push this code to GitHub. It will take it and shows me into the GitHub here. You can see, yeah, you can see all these things came in, right? And in the README file, I just want to edit here. So what I created from these code, where it was, just a minute. Yeah, here. You see that README file? So I copy these one and I directly can paste it there and I can see the preview, you know. So I go preview and it gives me all the preview over here, right? So anything you want to change, you can just go and ask for the change here in the VS Code. Thank you for joining.